Hey, I'm a piano dancer. Ali Mancha, she's looking so beautiful. I don't know why.
Why you sing that your part?
I think this guy is from Jantia. Hello, Kasi people, Megalia, Kumnopilong Paralog. Today we are back again with one new music video by the title Pincho Beard. Beard. Official music video, Pincho. What does it mean by Pincho Beard? Beard, guys. Tell me the meaning, guys. Don't forget subscribe, guys. You're watching, but you're not subscribing, guys. Kindly support my channel, guys. Soon I'm coming to Shillong, Meghalaya. I need you all to watch my vlog, so to get access to that, subscribe now. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's check it out, guys. I want to dance. Pincho Beard. Yes, lady. Looking beautiful. This dance. Yeah, I feel like to dance, guys.
Jing berkat jonga kier tang syapi lanu jing it hanga pinwan ban aiti ngakular ban etang yapi baro shi junam la
oh, this dance I can't dance it. I can perform with you, sorry guys.
Ali menta ali batna ali hajan jonga aku kongkai tak yapi marwe.
I don't know why. I'm a piano dancer. Ali Mancha, she's looking so beautiful. I don't know
why you sing that your part.
I think this guy is from Jantia. I remember I watched one of his songs. Very good dancing too, man. Get them, boy.
You and the Okana, how are the Tipuki ex younger? You am Hamid saying I'm not younger. The Psnyak you were all hatch good young Pertayo, Lada one mempa, Jinche man boyanga. Hey, don't Malewan Pachena. Wapela, Wamjoyo, or Kampa, them they want Sankatai, Dangani, Wakahajwai. Hey, Lord, Tokana, him I want the Mika, Qua or deep dating. Yay, Tausata Chong Yonka.
This is so nice. This is so nice music video. Show them. Do it, guys. Yes. That is it. Oh. Who's that guy behind that boy having like a dreadnought? Wow, this is so lovely. The dress is so nice also. I like that. Oh, amazing, guys. This is so beautiful video. This is so amazing. I rate this music video out of 10. That is 9.5, guys. They really did best, like the whole team. Just imagine the whole team doing so nice in a music video. The dance also, those ladies, they are so good, guys. They are so good. You have really good team, guys. I really love it. You guys made a nice music video. The energy of the people in this music is so nice. Even the singers, I mean, let's say the actors and the actress, they are so good also. And the cast, those boys, those girls dancing, guys, super, guys. I love it. You guys gave the energy that will keep people watch this music from beginning till the end. And I saw one guy, he was looking so unique, doing those African style. His hair was like he's having a dreadlock. Then he put that guy behind, putting the cap, guys. Man, is what's his name, man? Tell me, guys. Tell me the name of the singer. Also, is not mentioned. The name. This guy also the actor, guys. I think I reacted to him. He's so good, guys. This guy is so good. Like I can see, I can see him like doing so good in most of his project, guys. He's so good. And that is it. Thank you so much. Love from Africa, guys. Subscribe to their channel and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Love you all till next time. Bomba Club.